how to show hidden channels on Discord using Better Discord. And the very first thing that you want to do is to open up your Better Discord client. And our main goal is to go into adding specific plugins so that this process will work. Now, if you already pull up your Better Discord client, just go directly into your user settings. And then if you scroll down a bit on your Better Discord, under app settings, you should be able to see Better Discord plugins. You just have to pull it up and then just open up any preferred web browser that you can use on your end, and we will be downloading that certain plugin. Now type in Better Discord plugins hidden channels. Now, for you to be able to download this, the most convenient way is via GitHub. Simply click on the very first result that will redirect you to GitHub. Scroll down from here, and there, just simply click this link here that says releases page. You'll be redirected to another page, then scroll down a bit. So this is going to be the certain plugin that you need to download. Just simply click on that and it will automatically be then downloaded. Once you successfully downloaded it, just simply click and drag the file from Better Discord plugins and it will automatically work by itself. And that is it. That's how you show hidden channels on Discord using Better Discord.